Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about x equals to a cos t, because if I put this one gone here, we have a square cos t square, a square. We can do about factorization. Cos t square minus 1, we change for sin t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 8 sin t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. Dx we change for this one. So this one that is about a square cos t square. This one that is about a square cos t square. So a square, we can do about factorization. And this one that is about sin t square. The square root of this one that is about 8 sin t. So a square 8, we have 8 to the power of 4, and sin t we have sin t square, and that is about cos t square and sin t square. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 2 to the power of 2 over number 2 to the power of 2. So this one we can put number 2 cos t sin t, everything to the power of 2. And this one that is about sin 2t. So we have the formula in here. We have cos 2a minus number 1 over number 2. So we need to transform this one into this one. So capital A that is about 2t. So we have cos 4a and cos 4t minus number 1 over number 2. So number 2 and 2 square, we have 8. So the integration of this one that is about 1 over 4 sin 4t. Number 1 that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 8. And we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.